A good cybersecurity practice is to monitor when employees share data outside the organization with another party, but then also be able to block that sharing from happening and apply additional governance controls so you can also stay compliant. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that using Microsoft Cloud App Security. Okay, within Microsoft Cloud App Security, let me show you how we do this. I'm going to go to Policies, and I've already created a policy, so we're going to filter by the DLP category and then filter by the file policy type and click on Externally Shared File. So this is a file policy that I created. I have a filter set here where access level equals public, and external. So if a search engine finds it, if anyone with a link has access, or if you shared it specifically with individuals outside the company, then these are the criteria that the filter will apply. And then it's looking at that activity across Office 365, and it's looking at activity across G Suite. Now, if I had Box and Dropbox and Salesforce connected here, it would do that as well. I'm having it apply to all filters, or sorry, all files and all file owners, as opposed to filtering that. I'm not inspecting it for any kind of content, so we'll leave that out of scope. We're creating an alert. We're going to notify you, and we will apply governance actions. So one of the governance actions we will apply is remove those external users and remove any kind of public access. Now, I could also apply a classification label from Azure Information Protection and just say, hey, look, go ahead and encrypt it using AES-256, and even though it's shared externally, it's encrypted. So that is a possibility, but in this case, we're just going to go ahead and remove that external sharing. And we're going to do the same thing for OneDrive and for SharePoint. So now we're going to go to Alerts, and here you can see an alert that was created for that policy. And this is where somebody tried to share this finances spreadsheet out of G Suite. And when we click on one collaborator, they tried to share with John Doe at OutsideCompany.com externally. So that's a little shocking, right? So if I scroll down, I can also see other activities related here. And notice that we automatically removed those external permissions. So when Megan, the user here, went to go share with John Doe outside the company, Cloud App Security saw it and automatically removed those external permissions. That's the capability I really want to drive home with you, is that not only are we going to alert you, but we're going to automatically apply governance to it. Now, I can also, in my investigation, go out and look at that user to see if they're actually compromised using UEBA. So see my other video on that. And here you can see we have a score of 210, and here are all the suspicious activities that have been happening with that user. So they're probably compromised and they're trying to exfiltrate data. Now, if we go to the Files page, here we can see additional information about those files that have been shared. And I can even apply manual governance actions if I wanted to here. So again, it's all about having control and being able to monitor and apply governance actions to it. So let's go back to our policy here. Again, you could apply all sorts of different actions. I like to just monitor. If you've been sharing it externally, then just go ahead and remove those external users and remove any kind of public access and be done with it. So folks, this is being able to monitor and govern files shared externally using Cloud App Security. Okay, folks, as you can see, this is very easy to set up, and it's a very powerful policy. Now, if you're doing this in production, you'd probably want to set some different filters, maybe do some content inspection, and apply some other governance actions. Hey, if you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up and like it. Be sure to click subscribe so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And if you have any questions about licensing, please be sure to contact your Microsoft partner or reseller, and they'll be able to help you navigate that. Okay, folks, we'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. So take care, and we'll see you later.